We found more holes just dotted along here. Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're gonna get the rest tailgate cleared off, got a little paint scraped off, and wire wheeled off. I bought me a new toy. Hopefully this thing works pretty good. Had to butcher the other one just to get the wire wheel off. So try this out tonight. Used it to cut that off and it worked really well, so hoping it'll last me a while. But we use that, get the rest paint off. We're gonna try to grind that back portion down and weld up that small hole, grind it back down, and then I don't know if I'll paint tonight. It's kind of cold out here, so may wait to do that next time. Just paint the whole tailgate front and the back. Might paint back first, let it set, then do the front. Let's head over there and we'll get to work. All right, see, we got most of that probably come off, and a lot of this bubbled up. It's actually pretty good right through here. Of course, just looks like it's, get off me, the first layer of paint, so probably still had to grind, but get that, and then I'm hoping to get back here and grind all this down. And there's that hole I was talking about. I'm gonna get that welded up. So probably gonna start back here and get this all smooth, and do some little bit of feel on this, and get that all taken down. Then flip it back up and get the front side. But can't wait to use that. This doesn't have a, well, it came with a key, but I don't need one. Basically flip this thing up, push in the lock on the back, and just turn that and it loosens it off. So that's pretty awesome. Anyways, sit you back there, we'll get this hooked up and we'll start getting this all cleared, and then we'll turn it up and get the top finished hopefully, and we'll also plug that up best we can.
Well, we almost got it done. Should have probably never put that goop on it. It's just real slimy now. The new grinder worked pretty good, except for it goes through batteries pretty quick. If you notice, but we got this somewhat welded back, still a hole in it. So I ground this down. We found more holes just dotted along here. So probably gonna put some more weld here, right in here, and around that hole, and grind it back down. But I don't think it's too bad. Get it welded back up, and then ground flat, then use that little hand sander right there with the different grits, and we'll get it looking okay-ish. Kind of like this one. Doesn't look too bad, but you can tell work's been done to it. We got this flat now, so we'll go back over that. But this is gonna take a little bit, maybe another day. Next time we'll probably finish this out, re-weld the back side, and then we'll take this apart, sand this down, and have everything ready for paint, hopefully by Friday. At least that's my plan.
Well, that's all I got for you tonight. I'll see you next time.